In this short video tutorial, we will continue with the concept of the link tag that we create in the head section of your web page, and we will understand how to use this link tag to create a link between the style sheet that we want to use for our web page and our HTML file. So in the previous video, we had used the link tag to create a link between an image file which we wanted to treat as the icon of our web page. So we gave the relationship as the icon. So in this video tutorial, we will understand how to use this link tag to create a link between the style sheet and our web page. So for this, I have already created an empty style sheet and saved it in the same folder where I have the HTML file. So the name of the style sheet that I have created is style.css. So let me open the folder and show you the style sheet. So I've created a style sheet and I've given it the name styles.css. This is an empty file. There are no CSS styles in this file as of now. So the only goal of this video tutorial is to show you how to create a link between your web page and the external style sheet. So the name of the style sheet is styles.css. Now let's use the link tag to create a link between our web page and this style sheet. So we will use the href attribute to give the path of the file with which we want to create the link. So I will give the name of the file as styles.css, and because my index.html file and the style sheet both are in the same folder, so just by giving the name of the file, I will be able to tell my web page which CSS file I am talking about. So the href attribute will be used to give the path of the style sheet, and then we have to use the rel attribute, which will tell the relationship between this file and our web page. So the relationship that we want to uh, give between our web page and this file is style sheet. And I will close the link tag by putting / and the angle bracket. Now the relationship style sheet will tell the browser that it should treat this file as the style sheet for our web page, and it should read these styles and apply those styles to the tags in our web page. So I will press Ctrl S and I have saved my code. Now when I will refresh the web page in the browser, when I will refresh the web page, there will be no visually you will not be able to see what has happened because the style sheet that we have created is actually empty. So when we will learn the CSS style sheets in a different course, over there we will cover what we write inside the styles.css style sheet that we attach with our web page. So the goal of this tutorial was to show you how to use the link tag to create a link between the style sheet and the web page. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/web development. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.